Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Shopify theme. First, you'll need to understand the core components of a Shopify theme, including its directory structure and the liquid templating language. Setting up a development store is crucial. It provides a safe sandbox to build and test your theme without affecting a live shop. We'll also cover using the Shopify command line interface, or CLI, which streamlines many development tasks, making your workflow much more efficient. To begin, install the Shopify CLI on your local machine. This powerful tool allows you to connect to your development store, push and pull theme files, and even preview changes in real time. A robust code editor, such as Visual Studio Code, will significantly enhance your coding experience with features like syntax highlighting and auto-completion. Additionally, integrating Git for version control is essential for tracking changes and collaborating effectively on your theme project. Now, let's dive into building the actual theme components. You'll create custom sections and blocks, which are reusable modules that merchants can easily configure in the theme editor. Mastering liquid objects and filters is key to displaying dynamic store data, like product information or customer details. For styling, you'll use CSS to define the visual appearance, and JavaScript will add interactive elements, enhancing the user experience across your shop. Before launching, rigorous testing is paramount. Ensure your theme functions flawlessly across different devices, from mobile phones to desktop computers, and in various web browsers. Performance optimization is also critical. Aim for quick loading times to provide an excellent user experience and improve search engine rankings. Once satisfied, you can deploy your polished theme to a Shopify store, making it available for merchants to use and customize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.